Hey guys, today let's learn how to share our Threads profile on Instagram. So if you guys would like to go ahead and share your own Threads profile over on the Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Threads application. Now I want you to also log on to your preferred account, and once we're already here, let's go on over and tap on our profiles. Now we actually have the option right here to share our profile on other platforms, and I want you to go ahead and just tap on that. Now I want you to go ahead and scroll through these applications until you see the Instagram application right here. Now tap on Instagram and you will be redirected to the Instagram application, allowing you to share your profile via the DMs section over on other people. So all we need to do from here is to just tap on the preferred person to share this Threads profile to, and then tap on share, and that's how we could easily go ahead and share our Threads profile on Instagram. Now that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.